always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why, always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends, stayed in bed till Wednesday, fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that.
Here, welcome back or welcome. And if is that the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video and share it all around with your friends. With this said, let's start the review of the Soundpeats Life, another pair of ANC earbuds at a budget price from Soundpeats. Let's start the review with the price. The Soundpeats Life has a price tag of £39.99 in UK. For the US, the Soundpeats Life has a price tag of $39.99. Like always, I'll leave links in the description. Please check them up for best price and product information. Soundpeats once more present us with a really nice case that really looks premium. And if you don't touch the case, you will think that the case is made of leather. It's plastic, with the Soundpeats logo at the top of the case. At the front, you have a LED for battery indication. And at the back, a USB-C port for charging. Moving on to the lid. Soundpeats once more delivers a nice lid that holds up in any position, so you can access your earbuds. In between the earbuds you have the pairing button. You can see the earbuds charging with the LED on. Let's see the earbuds more in detail. Soundpeats went for a stem style design earbud, but it's a shorter stem, like the AirPod Pros. You have a Soundpeats logo at the top on a silver color, and there is where the touch controls are. You'll be able to control pretty much everything apart from going back to the previous track. At the end of the stem, you have the LED. Now, these earbuds are doing a very good job picking up my voice. Very clean. They use also ENC to try to block out a lot of the sounds around you. And, again, I think this does a decent job, but you guys can be the judge by listening to a test here.
So guys, this is the sound of the Soundpeats Life outside. It's a little bit windy, and this is how they all sound if you get a phone call or the Soundpeats Life. We're gonna go inside and carry on with the review of the Soundpeats Life. Right guys, so this is the sound of the Soundpeats Life inside on my studio. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about the sound. They say it's Sound Plus for clear calls. So this is how they will sound if you get a phone call with the Soundpeats Life. Let's carry on with the review.
Battery life on the Soundpeats Life, it's okay. It's not the best battery life out there, but on a full charge you can get about 5 hours on the earbuds and about 25 hours using the case. This is using them at about 50% volume. There is no fast charging feature on these either, but at this price point I wouldn't expect it. Let's see some of the features next. So, you have the TWS200 chipset with Bluetooth 5.2. You have SBC AAC audio codecs, ANC, transparency mode, game mode, 12mm drivers, Soundpeats app, and IPX4 waterproof that should protect you with a run in the rain or a trip to the gym. They also support individual playback for the left and right ears, so you can use either side of the earbuds out of the box. ANC. I need to remind you please, let's not forget that these earbuds cost £39.99 or $39.99. With this in mind, the noise cancelling is just okay. The ANC is not going to immediately block out all your surroundings, in fact, only blocks the lower tones. Let me explain. It can block air conditioning sounds or fan sounds, but if someone is talking with you, it will not block them out. But again, look at the price tag. £39.99. By the other hand, the transparency mode is really good. I'm able to hear my surroundings with no issues. If I'm out riding a bike and I need to hear traffic, I will leave this mode on. Having a conversation without having to take the earbuds out is also possible with this mode. Latency. Watching videos on YouTube or Netflix is no problem. They also have a gaming mode. That works great for most of the games out there. But playing PUBG, I still notice that is a slight lag. But it's minimal, and is kind of expected because Bluetooth in general just cannot cut out lag altogether. Like the name Life, these earbuds are for your everyday life use, and in my opinion, they sound great out of the box without any EQ adjustments. Listen to pop or hip hop or country music or any simple music will give you dynamic sound. The bass has plenty of kick to it and picks up sub-bass pretty nicely. The trebles have a lot of detail and the mids are left alone and I don't feel like they are right up front. But when you change to something like hard rock, where is a lot going on, looks like the treble loses a bit of its brightness, on the same way the bass loses some of its boominess. But most of the people don't listen to that type of music, so this will be completely fine. So, my overall take on this is at its current price point, I think it is an excellent buy. You'll miss out on features like wireless charging and fast charging, but looking past those things, you will get ANC, gaming mode, different EQ settings, and let's be honest, most of these features you will not find at this price point. And that is what makes the Soundpeats Life a good pair to recommend. And that's it guys, this was our take on the Soundpeats Life. Amazing price and amazing features. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about it. Tiago here, wishing you a great day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.